Hello grade 8 students, welcome to maths class. Today we will continue our chapter number 3, that is understanding quadrilaterals. In the previous video I had explained you about all the properties of quadrilaterals, all the properties of polygons, different types of polygons, and today we will be starting our textual exercise. So let us start with exercise 3.1. I'll be solving the important sums, you can say exemplars, right? In this we are supposed to find the measure of angle x. Here the figure is given. You can see the figure. It is not a quadrilateral but it is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides are there. So it's a polygon having 5 sides, which we call it as pentagon. In this, before solving the sum, we just need to understand what we are supposed to do. See, here we have 2x in this figure. It means that the measure of both these angles are equal. Both are x, it means both the angles are equal. Now for solving it, we need all the interior angles of a pentagon, but we have only 3 angles. See, 1, 2 and 3. This remaining 2 interior angles are not there with us. So first of all, we have to find the measure of these interior angles using these 2 exterior angles. Okay, so first we will be finding interior of 70-degree angle. It will be 180 minus 70 because this is a linear pair. So interior of 70-degree will be 110. So we got this measure as 110-degree. Now we have to find the interior of 60-degree. That will be 180 minus 60-degree because even here it is a linear pair. So that will be 120-degree. Now we have all the 5 interior angles. Okay, so the sum of all the angles of a pentagon, it is always 540-degree. Sum of the measure of all the angles of a pentagon is 540-degree. Therefore, x plus 30-degree plus 110-degree plus 120-degree will be equal to 540-degree. Now what is 30 plus 110 plus 120? It is 260-degree. So 2x plus 260-degree we got as 540-degree. Right, now we will change the side of 260-degree. So 2x will be 540 minus 260 and that is 280. Now we will get the value of x. So we will change the side of 2. It will be 280 divided by 2, which is equal to 140-degree. So the measure of both these angles is 140, 140. Okay. So therefore we got the value of x which we were supposed to find as 140-degree. So this is the whole sum which we are supposed to find. Next sum. In this, we are supposed to find the measure of x, y, z and w and then find the sum of it, because we need x plus y plus z plus w. So first of all, we have to find the values of x, y, z and w. Now we have three interior angles. First of all, student, this is a quadrilateral, right? We have four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? But we have only three interior angles. This angle we don't know. So first of all, we have to find this interior angle. Then we will get the values of all these variables and then we will find the sum of it. Right? So sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral क्या होता है? It is 360 degree. All the interior angles क्या होता है? 360 degree of a quadrilateral. Right? Therefore, angle 1 plus 120 degree plus 80 degree plus 60 degree will be equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus 260 degree is 360 degree. मैंने इन सबको ऐड किया है. अब हमें एंगल 1 की वैल्यू चाहिए. So we have to change the side of 260 degree. So it will be 360 minus 260 degree. So we got angle 1 as 100 degree. Angle 1 की वैल्यू, ये वैल्यू हमें 100 डिग्री मिला है. Now we can find the values of x, y, z and w. Right? So x plus 120 is equal to 180 क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर है. Therefore, x will be 180 minus 120 which is 60 degree. Similarly, y plus 80 degree is 180 degree because linear pair. All the four will form a linear pair. इसी तरह से चारों के मेजर हमें मिलेंगे. So y will be 180 minus 80 which is equal to 100 degree. Z plus 60 degree will be 180. So Z will be 180 minus 60 which is 120. Similarly, W now we have to find the sum of all this. Therefore, x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 60 degree plus 100 degree plus 120 degree plus 80 degree, and that is equal to 360 degree. This is what we were supposed to find. Okay? The remaining sums we will continue in our next part of the video.